Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the slow charging current settings on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the vehicle settings app. From here, we're going to scroll to charging and discharging and scroll down until you see other functions. Here we have slow charging current settings. So before using the connector, we want to set the intensity with a proper range or the one that is um, in our country. So as you guys can see, the local laws and regulations here, we can change it to 6 amps, we can put it up to 32, and we can easily um, charge our car from, let's say, 10% to 80% in around 12 to 15 minutes. So it's a really amazing score. That's how you guys can easily do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.